Hello, Mello. Fresh M&M, ikaw ba? Miss mo lang ako eh. Morning guys, good morning. Tulog pa yung newly engaged eh. Miss si Ate John. Si Freckles naman. Natural yan, gaga. Natural oh. Natural yan, ga. Huwag mong pansinin yan. Ganda naman ito. Juwain mo kung maganda. Where are you out? I'm here at Batangas sa Vineyard. Ayun yung Taal, guys. There's a Taal of that. Anong take 2? Tagal na lang magising. Gusto ko na jet ski. Twin bitches upping on the jet ski. Musta na ang paborito kong tao? Paborito, in-inbox mo nga ako. In-inbox mo nga ako. Uy, si Echo nanonood. Hi, Echo. Miss ko na manood ng laro nyo. Gusto ko na magpatan. Gusto ko rin ng Rapers. Meron pa ba? Wala na, nag-iisa yan. Live with QD me. Saan nga si QD ngayon? Diba? Kasi, ang ina kasi ng mga to eh. Naaway niya si Queen eh. Guys, kahit busy ako, aware ako sa buhay ni QD. Kasama mo pa ang newly engaged. Yes. I'm with them. Love you since ang probinsyana days. Thank you po. Congrats po sa Reynab. Thank you po. Kilala niyo po ba si Queen Dura? Hindi eh. Sino yun? Gusto niyo ganun para issue? Laro kaya. Gumagawa ka pa rin ng vlog. Yes, madami akong vlog. Hindi ko lang ina-upload. Kailan maglalaro? Ewan ko guys. Aura ka nga. Ayoko nga. Drop your skincare, sisi. I don't have a skincare po. Magko-confess ako sa kanya pag nanotice mo ako. Wag ka magko-confess doon. Ano reaction mo sa pag-propose today, Park kay Zainab? Cry? In-upload ko yung reaction ko. I'm so happy for them. Aplaza, Ray. Hi, Ray. Boyfriend reveal. Tang ina. Wala kang ma-reveal eh. Wala kang boyfriend. Anong i-reveal naman? Kailan ka po babalik sa acting? Gusto mo ngayon eh. Charing. Hindi ko kaya yung kay Queen Dura na kaaway si self. Over din na mamansin. Hoy, ngayon ka lang nag-comment ha. Baka sabihin mo kanina ka pa nagko-comment. Ngayon nakita dito. Lakasan mo, boses mo. Ayoko nga. Aga-aga eh. Nakita na kayo ni Fukerat. Hindi pa. Shoutout kay James. Shoutout James. Diyan na lang kayo matutulog ako. Kanina mo. Tutulog mo ako. Wala akong ka-sleep ko, likay na lang. Joke lang, ayoko na. Love the nails, yeah. I'm gonna show you guys my nails. Oops. Let me borrow this. Shit. This is my nails. It's giving gender reveal. Hi, Kuya.
Hi.
Why, are you bored there? Sino nang gising doon?
Huh?
Say hi to them. I'm alive.
Hi, guys.
Sino nagising? Gising na si Bia?
Di po.
How about Nanay Maria?
Tulog pa din.
How about Ate Cha?
Kulang.
Are you hungry? You want me to order you breakfast?
Yes.
What do you want for breakfast?
Rice.
It's giving gender reveal, yeah.
I want rice.
Oh, you want fries?
Yes.
Fries lang?
Rice only. That's all.
Fries lang?
Rice lang.
For breakfast?
Mamaya na.
What you mean?
Huh?
Okay, we try to order fries for you.
Rice. 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 Can I order?
Yeah, what do you want?
Where am I gonna order?
Here.
Yeah? Can I order? I want to order. I want to order.
What do you want? Tell me what you want.
Rice.
And?
Rice only. That's all.
Hi, good morning po. This is Aura from Villa number 6. Can I order some fries po? Yeah. What flavor do you want, Kuya?
Barbecue.
Barbecue. Yeah, can I have 2 barbecue po? Yeah. And may I know what breakfast is available po?
I'm going swimming.
Okay po. Okay. Can I have po longganisa? 1 longganisa. Excuse me. Yes po. Do you also have tocino? Yeah, can I also have tocino and longganisa po? Is this with egg na po? No. Tig isang order po. 1 longganisa with fried rice and 1 tocino with fried rice and egg. Kuya, I order you tocino. Is that your favorite, right? Yeah, you like that? Okay. Yeah, it's that all po. How about sa drinks po? Do you have mango ripe? Ripe mango shake po. Yeah, can I also have that po? Ano gusto mo drink, Kuya? You like choco? And also 1 choco po. Yes, iced choco. The one that we ordered last night. That's all po. Yes po. Thank you. Apo, sa fries po, bali to order po siya ng barbecue. Thank you. Have a good day. Yeah.
Go swimming.
Oh, you're not allowed to swim, right? Kasi you have photoshoot, kuya, di ba?
What?
Sa gabi ka pa magsiswim.
That's okay.
Papagalitan ako. Papagalitan ako.
Yeah, siyempre naman.
Guys, nakikita niyo si Lucas, oh. Hindi ka magsusumbong. Eh, paano pag nagising sila? Bawal po kasi mag-swimming sila, Lucas and Bian, ng morning. Kasi po, promise? Kasi po, grabe yung araw here. And may, ano po sila. Tapos, gabi lang sila pwede mag-swimming. Tapos ako pa lang yung gising na adult. Nagabantay kay Lucas. Tapos sabi niya, hindi niya daw ako isusumbong pag pinayagan ko siya. Narinig niyo yun, ah. Remote? There, love. Yeah. Guys, wala ba kayong question? Di nyo kayang pag-order ko. Aminin nyo. It's giving improvement. Right?
Huh? What did I press?
Guys, pag nakasama nyo si Daddy Ray tsaka yung kapatid niya, 24 hours English.
Sister niya.
What did I said? It's her sister, right? And Ray. 24/7, 48 hours English. I love your game na nag-volleyball kayo. You're staying there. Oh, thank you. Oh, yeah?
Are we going to J Castle again?
J Castle today? No. It's Monday.
Only boat, right? Only boat?
Yeah, we're gonna ride a jet ski speedboat today.
Wait, can I try the jet ski?
You're too young for that. You're not allowed,
Why
kuya.
would you?
Maybe you can ride with Daddy Ray. But not drive.
Why did
Yeah.
I press?
I'm not allowing him to eat chips because it's morning. That's why I ordered him a breakfast.
Press.
Let me fix it.
I need to eat breakfast first before I eat chips. Right?
Yeah. And you know that already, right?
I want to do it.
Ganda yung boses pag naging lalaki. Etong inang leon. Wag na lang.
Thank you.
Kuya, how old are you daw po?
Hmm?
How old are you?
Turning to 7.
He's turning 7 this month.
This month? Next month?
This month. Your birthday is July.
Yeah.
And it's July now. It's July 8 to be exact.
8? What?
It's July 8. And your birthday is what? July what?
18.
July 18. 10 days to go. Why are you watching your mom's vlog?
What now?
You already watched it last night, diba?
Huh? I did not even...
Nakakamiss mag-old aura. Hi, Mama Andre David. Miss you.
Dito ba dito na? Nakakainis kayo.
May tanggalin filter, mas pretty. Ayoko dahil. Hindi kaya. Mas pretty ako sa filter na to. Swear. Flower girl ka, laruan. Si Bia ang flower girl. I miss the aura when she is a kid. I also miss her though.
I'm just waiting.
Hindi ba lahat tayo miss yung bata pa tayo? Goosebumps yung proposal essentially deserve it. She really deserve it, guys.
July 5. That was last week.
Sobrang goosebumps. So watch the vlog now. Fukurat or Quindy? Ba't ka mamimili sa dalawa? Hello? Di mo kailangan mamili. Nasa vacation ka po, my lady. Yes, I am. Hi, kambal ko. Laro! Nagkakambal pa. Nails reveal naman siya. Sure. This is my nails. It's giving gender reveal. Ganda. Hi, Josh! I miss ya. Miss seeing you play. Mas maganda ka. Nasa Japan pa rin ba kayo? Wala bang rainbow nails? Wala eh. For now, eto pa lang. Ganda ng hair. No, it's giving a rag. I mean, it's giving oily. But yeah, it's pretty though. Korea sila. Ay, sa Korea pala. Sorry. Real or fake? Real. Oh no! Fake! What camera? What camera?
Machimura!
Secret. Delegate ko. Nag-hormones ka ba? Ay, dahil kung titigan mo yung muscle, kumukha ba nag-hormones?
Hindi naman eh.
Baba ka dito. Saan? Saan bababa? Real or fake? Real. Oh no! Fake! Oh yeah, it's Meme Bias and Ate Riva. I have a lot of hand tattoos. Guys, nag-post ako sa TikTok nung Pantropico Dance Challenge. I mean, Pantropico Dance Break Challenge. Munti ka na ako madalas. Panoorin nyo.
Watch ko po kanina yung pero YouTube.
Oh, yeah.
Watch ko.
Si Lucas po ba yan? Yes po, nanonood po siya. Real or fake? Fake. Oh no! Real!
Okay, well, this isn't working, and that's fine. Everything's fine. This is hopeless.
This whole trip is just a series of downer and downer and
Ever since that alarm went off, nothing around here works.
I have never been inside so many jars in my life.
And the Riley we knew is gone.
And if Joy can't see that, well, then she's delusional.
Delusional?
Delusional?
Yeah!
Stop delusional! Do you know how hard it is to stay positive all the time when all you folks do is complain, complain, complain? Jimmy, mother, loving toast.
I think I'm end live na, guys. Pa-music ka ma. Dahil ginawa niyo naman TikTok yung live ko. Gusto ko lang mag-good morning. Say bye to them, kuya.
No!
This is hopeless.
This whole trip is just a series of downer and
Bakit naman may kape sa pes? Shhh! Inang aga-aga. Oh, 11:11. Tita Chrissy, I love you. 11:11. I miss you, Tita Crazy. Ina Evans, mamaya ka na.